So today we're going to try and put some R33 coupe side skirts on a sedan. The sedan skirts are really hard to find and not cheap, so we're going to try and get her done today. So these are R33 coupe skirts. You just have to cut them down a little bit. Basically the supplies you need for now, plus a cut wheel. Put the tape down just to create a layer so that we don't have to mark on the skirt, and it'll help fiberglass from chipping a bit when we cut it. We basically need to cut out a little bit right here to make this back door still open. So this is just a rough mark right now on where we need to cut, but it'll be a good starting point, and then we'll see what we need to trim up from there to get it mounted. So now we'll go test fit, see what else we need to trim up. So we need to look at where we need to trim. And we'll need to make those cuts. After getting the skirts cut up, we now need to get them mounted. So supplies we'll need now is a drill, some drill bits. Got these nice fasteners so we can mount it real clean like. And then I've got a rib nut set up so that whenever we go into the fender, we don't have to put a backside nut on it. We'll just be able to thread it right on in. So let's get these things mounted. Alright, pretty clean, not going anywhere. Now move on to the back. Also need to mount some pieces right here. And the factory mounting points, but we'll get there. Just some cheap Duraflex skirts that was easy to get here in the United States, so that's why we went with this brand. Alright, overall I'm pretty happy with it. I kind of rushed the install a little bit, but we got skirts installed. Looks pretty good, a lot lower. They are pretty sturdy. Doors open, shut. No rubbing. So overall, pretty happy with what we've got going on here.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Now that I'm working on the other skirt, I've learned a little bit, and this is a good starting line to cut to make these work. Basically need to get rid of everything on this side. There'll be some trimming and stuff once you get into it, but this is a good base to really make all this fit for the sedan a little bit better.
Guess your dad's not going with you.
You were drifting?
No, it looked like we were going drifting.
I noticed your buddies have gotten a lot smaller over the years. I understand that.
Yeah, there was 3 of us packed in the back, and this side's just like a touch higher than that. It was just like smoking
we were going
as
straight.
we were going.
We're gonna have to put some airbags on it.
Yeah, we should. Ow, smoked my shin.